We have some wonderful news to share with all of you Tesla enthusiasts. The president of South Korea, Yoon Suk-yeol, and the renowned megamind Elon Musk recently met, indicating that Tesla is formulating plans to work with Korea. Their encounter may also be a covert indication that the EV behemoth plans to construct a sizable gigafactory in the land of the morning calm. Do you want to learn more about this? Then follow us as we dissect the theories using ludicrous amounts of proof. Despite the fact that Tesla originally used the term Gigafactory to describe its locations for producing batteries, it currently refers to all of them regardless of where the batteries are built. After opening its first Gigafactory in Nevada in 2016, Tesla now operates 5 in all, 3 in the US, 1 in China, and 1 in Germany. And it has been debated for a while now as to where the 6th one will be located. It appears that Elon Musk has responded to our query at last. We had many doubts when Tesla CEO Elon Musk and South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol met in Washington, D.C., but now that the two have officially spoken out, it is clear that Tesla will build a gigafactory in Korea. Still don't believe us? All right, have a peek at this. The president stated South Korea boasts world-class manufactured robots and had advanced labor force, making it an ideal location to run a gigafactory. Yonhap, a Korean news agency, claimed that the meeting was summarized and that the president's statement was the major point of discussion. Not only that, though, should Tesla decide to invest, we will provide active support in terms of location, workforce, and taxes, Yoon Suk-yeol was reportedly cited as saying. The same information was also shared on Twitter by a user, and fans are ecstatic. The news agency reported that Musk added that he will travel to South Korea and that the country was still a top contender to become the location of a gigafactory in order to explore the possibility of building a new gigafactory in Korea, which was already on Tesla's shortlist of possible locations. Yoon and Musk virtually met in November of last year. At first, Yoon and Musk were scheduled to meet in person in Bali, Indonesia for the B20 summit. They had intended to meet virtually, but since Musk was unable to go to Bali, the meeting was canceled. Yoon added during that conversation that Korea had a top-notch car industry and that the country would work to tighten regulations to facilitate international investment. Although the conversation is not documented, it appears that he was more explicit in this instance, providing Tesla in particular with direct assistance rather than sweeping government regulatory action. In response, Musk reportedly stated that he would travel to South Korea and that the country is still a strong candidate for a gigafactory. We also gained some insight into the situation from the presidential office's publicly posted statements. It is stated that the two bright minds discussed global technological innovation and deliberated on methods to collaborate and invest in Korea concerning the production of electric vehicles. Following his announcement that Elon Musk intended to construct a gigafactory, Yoon stated, Korea has a world-class automotive industry ecosystem and investment conditions. In response, Musk said that he believes Korea offers some of the best investment opportunities and that he will make his decision after closely considering investment criteria such as labor availability, technology improvements, and Asian candidates' production environments. Or, at any rate, that was the assertion made at the time. But there were reports at the time that Tesla was thinking about constructing a gigafactory in Mexico or Canada. Tesla even announced that it would build a gigafactory in Mexico, which may put an end to rumors about other places. However, a lot has transpired since the virtual meet, and Tesla has to modernize and establish gigafactories in other places given the predicted tremendous development of electric vehicles in the future years. According to statistics, Tesla hopes to sell 20 million cars by 2030 and hopes to grow sales by 50% a year for the foreseeable future. In that case, it would be more important than ever for Tesla to construct gigafactories across the globe. And where better to begin than in Asia? Without a question, Korea is becoming a major force in the EV industry. Two of the largest manufacturers of electric vehicles to come out of Korea are Hyundai and Kia. Korean battery. Manufacturers such as LG Chem, Samsung SDI, and SK On also work with many automakers across the globe. Even though Tesla currently has a regular factory in Shanghai, the corporation would greatly benefit from the development of a gigafactory in the East Asian region. That is where half of the population resides, after all. A new gigafactory would be ideally located in South Korea due to its highly skilled workforce in the robotics, smartphone, and automotive industries. Not to add, the nation's EV industry is flourishing. The nation's EV industry leadership can be attributed to a confluence of factors, including government support, technological advancements, and a robust automotive sector. The government has also put in place a number of programs to encourage the use of EVs, such as tax breaks, financial assistance, and research and development expenditures. The EV industry has grown in South Korea as a result of these policies, forcing corporations to make investments in it, due to factors including growing worries about air pollution and the desire for more environmentally friendly transportation options. Consumer demand for EVs is likewise growing significantly. Can we now tell a lie? Taking everything into account, it appears that now is the ideal moment for Tesla to work with the nation. According to a regulatory filing, LF, the top manufacturer of battery components in South Korea, also consented to pay Tesla Inc. $2.91 billion to supply the cathode, an essential part of batteries for electric vehicles. This indicates that for a period of 2 years, starting on January 1st, 2024, and ending on December 31st, 2025, LF will provide high-nickel cathode to Tesla and its affiliates. Unbeknownst to you, LF is ranked among the top 3 cathode manufacturers in Korea. The business claims that the deal's value is subject to change based on how much lithium prices fluctuate and was calculated using LF's most recent cathode sales pricing. I mean, $2.9 billion is a big sum. Musk previously declared that, in his opinion, Korea is among the best places to invest. He plans to make his decision after thoroughly assessing investment prerequisites like labor, technology, and Asian candidates' production environments. Additionally, he declares his intention to actively participate in Korea's infrastructure for electric vehicle charging, asserting that Tesla still makes use of Korea's superior components and domains related to artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. With everything in mind, there is a good chance that Tesla will construct a new, enormous Gigafactory in Korea. On Twitter, even Tesla Economics addressed the issue with the statement, Tesla South Korea Gigafactory could be coming soon. Include Elon Musk. Well, aside from this, is there any further proof we need? Guys, what are? In the space provided for comments below. In addition to Tesla, the president expects that Korea would work with SpaceX. I hope that our cooperation with SpaceX will further expand to foster Korea's economic growth, stated President Yoon. Korean businesses are prepared to participate in Elon Musk's new venture, the Starlink services. NIA research as indicated by references. SpaceX hopes to work with Korean telecom company KT to introduce its low Earth orbit satellite communication service, Starlink, in that country. According to reliable industry sources, KT, the massive satellite service provider owned by Korea Telecom, is in talks with SpaceX to introduce a Starlink service. Elon Musk will eventually have something to do with Korea, even though we don't know how much of that is true. More than anything, the nation is eager to work with Musk and Tesla. President Yoon reportedly added, the government will do our best to support the investment if Tesla, SpaceX, or other companies are. Considering more investment in South Korea, including constructing a gigafactory, these reports were sourced from news outlets. We're working on a customized strategy to give these particular organizations some benefits, he continued. The country is definitely eager to finance the venture. Retail investors in South Korea have paid $2.8 billion for Tesla stock by the end of 2022. Additionally, the Korean Securities Depository disclosed that in 2017, local day traders acquired $160 million worth of Tesla shares. President Yoon declared during the discussion that if Tesla decides to go ahead with the investment, he would actively help the company in terms of location, human resources, and taxes. Here's a list of items to think about if we are to examine and draw a conclusion at this point. President Yoon will stop at nothing to help Musk establish a partnership with Korea. Not only does he want us to work with Korea on Tesla, but he is also interested in working with us on SpaceX and other technologies. This implies that the likelihood of a gigafactory in Korea is quite slim. Is Tesla planning to build a gigafactory in Korea? Then? It's best to wait and find out. Only time will tell right now. Where should the next Tesla Gigafactory be located? Please share your thoughts in the space provided for comments below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Keep checking back for more articles like this, and press the notification bell. For improved readability and coherence, I've made corrections and rearrangements to the text. Tell me if you require any other changes.